Nagbabag...
Another night closing in, and I feel so lonely.
Allah!
You still hold me. I'm losing sleep. I need to find a way to get over you. You are the first of the light. Wherever you go, I'll be
I'm with you.
wherever you want. I'll give it to you. Whenever you need someone, your heart and hand.
Ito na ang ating chef for tonight. Ang masarap na spaghetti. Pa, ang daming handa.
Sila o nag-video kayo pa?
Pumunta talaga sila doon?
Ate Nori, sister.
Ay, di naman ako invite. Buti na lang. Buti na lang hindi ko invite.
Tulog ang isa. Tumitingin, ano ang aking dapat gawin? Charlotte! Mapakilala. Ay nako, lasing na. Lasing na. Lasing na sila. Mapakilala. Yan na. Merry Christmas! Ito, he's sleeping. Oh. Okay, just close your eyes. Kailan kaya mapapansin ang aking lihim? Kahit ano aking gawin. Ano ang gagawin? Ano na sila ng mga regalo?
Utos ng damdamin.
What?
Para bang
Tulog.
hangin
Sleeping.
na kay hirap
David, tulog.
pigilin. Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita.
Thank you. Huh?
Nais kong
What about it?
malaman mo na
Charlotte did.
iniibig kita.
Yeah. She's... Wow, Ashlyn, look, you get a lot of present. What? Yeah, we're gonna have a sleepover. Make sure you drink water. I told you to drink more water.
Jobs, but none of them. When I ended up in the hospital,
Go drink water, come on.
I was so grateful.